Hello, this is Lee Mallett. This is a continuation of our 23 series on why you should buy from Mallett. Today I'm going to talk about, and this is number 4 by the way, today we're going to talk about metal. We use all our metal from Central States, which is a regional supplier. All that metal comes with a 40-year warranty against fading, chalking, edge creep, and rust. I've been doing business with them people for over 20-something years. They're a top quality company, and the metal that we produce is the best. I would not use that metal if it was not the best metal. But it's the warranty. When you got a 40-year warranty, because you got to be careful. There are some metals out there that they sell you is not going to be 40-year because you got different paint grades. There's a 10-year, there's a 20-year, there's a 25-year. So you must make sure and pin down whoever you buy your building from. If you buy from us, it's 40-year. If you buy from someone else, get documentation that it's not 25-year or 10-year. Why? It's cheaper than the 40-year metal. That's how they lower the price. So my advice to you is make sure that the metal you're buying has got a 40-year warranty from the manufacturer, because that's who warrants the metal. Not Mallett Buildings, not whoever you buy from. The manufacturer is who's going to, if there's a problem with your metal, it's going to be for the manufacturer. And that's who you need to be concerned about. Where are you getting that metal? Who is the company? Are they going to be around in 10 years? So if I need a sheet of metal, can I order a sheet of metal? A lot of companies go out, a lot are too small. Whereas Central, who we buy ours, has been around for a long time. They serve 6, 7 states. And that's why I continue to do business with them, because I know that 5 years from now, if you run into your building with your lawnmower, I can get you the metal. So once again, thank you for your time, and give us a call.